The buzz around the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is unlike anything we've seen before. For years, Samsung has followed a familiar pattern with its Galaxy S lineup, releasing three models: the base S, the Plus, and the Ultra. But now, reports suggest that Samsung could introduce an unexpected fourth member to the family, the Galaxy S25 Slim. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra has already stolen the spotlight with its elite specs and exciting new features, the S25 Slim is gearing up to be the wild card we didn't know we needed. But what exactly can we expect from this rumored edition? Let's dive into the specifications. The Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature a sleek 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display that boasts a QHD plus resolution, ensuring vibrant, sharp visuals that will make everything from gaming to streaming pop. With a 120Hz refresh rate, this device promises smooth, lag-free performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is rumored to power the S25 Slim, paired with 12GB of RAM and storage options that could include 256GB or 512GB. That's a lot of power packed into a device that might only be around 7mm thin. For all the power users out there, this combination of speed, display, and slim profile sounds like a dream come true. Now let's talk about the camera setup, because this is where things get really interesting. The S25 Slim is speculated to come with an enormous 200MP primary camera, complemented by a 50MP ultra-wide and a 50MP telephoto lens, complete with 3.5x optical zoom. If you're someone who loves capturing every detail, this setup could transform your smartphone photography game. The 12MP front-facing camera will likely give you those crisp, clear selfies, but the real draw here will be the rear cameras. With such a powerful combination of lenses, you can expect top-tier performance in both well-lit and low-light environments. What about the design? The S25 Slim is expected to deliver a refined, slim design that makes it stand out from the crowd. It's not just about specs, it's about how Samsung is pushing the boundaries of form and function. The phone will likely feature a sleek, lightweight build, making it easier to handle despite its impressive size and screen. Battery life is always a key consideration for any flagship, and the S25 Slim is expected to come with at least a 4,700 mAh battery, which should be enough to power all these high-performance features throughout the day. Pair that with fast charging, and you've got a device that's ready to keep up with your busy life. But here's the real kicker. What if this device isn't launching alongside the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup? Initial rumors hinted at a simultaneous release with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but recent reports suggest the Galaxy S25 Slim might be released a little later in the year, possibly in Q2 2025. While this might be disappointing for some, the added weight could mean a more polished device with even more surprises in store. Now let's pivot to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which has been making waves with its spec leaks. Samsung is reportedly going all in with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset across all models, which is a huge deal. For the first time ever, even the base S25 will come with 12GB of RAM as standard. No more choosing between different configurations based on your market. And with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset powering all variants, expect insane performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI-heavy apps. Speaking of AI, the S25 lineup is set to take things to the next level. If the rumors are true, a new AI-powered feature could be making its way to the S25 models. A car detection sensor as revealed in the One UI 7 software code. This feature could potentially make the S25 series a little safer, detecting nearby vehicles and alerting the user of potential collisions. It's small innovations like this that could make the Galaxy S25 series stand out in a crowded market. Samsung's commitment to camera excellence also continues with the S25 Ultra, which will reportedly include a dual zoom setup with both 5x and 3x lenses, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and the star of the show, a 200MP ISO-CELLA hue sensor. Whether you're an amateur photographer or someone who takes their mobile photography seriously, this camera setup is something to get excited about. And if you thought the camera tech couldn't get any better, it's also rumored that the S25 Ultra will feature cutting-edge Gorilla Glass next, providing durability and anti-reflective qualities that make it easier to use in direct sunlight. And let's not forget the stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display. With 120Hz refresh rate, this is going to be a perfect screen for watching videos, scrolling, and gaming. But while the display itself isn't a massive jump for the S24 Ultra, the improvements lie elsewhere. A refined camera system, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and the chance to pack up to 1 TB of storage. You might not see drastic changes compared to the previous model, but it's clear that Samsung is focusing on refining the details that matter. But here's the thing, for Galaxy S24 Ultra owners, these improvements might not feel massive enough to justify an upgrade. For those still holding on to older models, however, the Galaxy S25 Ultra presents a huge leap forward in terms of performance, camera quality, and overall design. The key takeaway here is that if you're holding out for a new Samsung flagship, this is one device that could redefine your smartphone experience. Now that we've covered the Galaxy S25 Slim and Ultra, there's one more feature worth noting: the AI-driven benefits from Samsung's partnership with Google. Buyers of the S25 lineup may get access to Gemini Advanced, Google's premium AI platform, free for a limited time. This would make the S25 series not just a device for the here and now, but one built to handle future tech as well. With AI taking over in everything from cameras to general smartphone usage, the S25 could be a hub for all the latest and greatest in mobile innovation. Still, what do you think? Is the S25 Slim going to be the surprise of 2025, or is the Ultra still where the real action is? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates as we count down to the official reveal of the Galaxy S25 series. See you in the next video.